Hey everyone, ready to beat the heat with something sweet and incredibly easy? Forget the fancy ice cream maker. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of no-churn ice cream. It's the perfect way to whip up delicious frozen treats with minimal effort. Get ready for 3 simple, crowd-pleasing ideas that are perfect for any summer day or party. Let's get started. First up, a timeless favorite, classic vanilla bean. It's simple, elegant, and the base for so many other flavors. You only need a few ingredients to make magic happen. You'll need heavy whipping cream, sweetened condensed milk, and some vanilla extract or vanilla bean paste. Make sure your cream is nice and cold for whipping. Whip the heavy cream in a large bowl until stiff peaks form. This is key to getting that light, airy texture without churning. Don't overmix though. In a separate bowl, whisk together the sweetened condensed milk and the vanilla. The condensed milk provides the sweetness and prevents ice crystals from forming. Gently fold the condensed milk mixture into the whipped cream. Be careful not to deflate the cream. You want to keep it light and fluffy. Pour the mixture into a freezer-safe container. An old loaf pan works perfectly. Cover it tightly with plastic wrap or a lid. Freeze for at least 6 hours, or preferably overnight until it's firm. Scoop and enjoy this creamy, dreamy classic. Next, let's make something for the chocolate lovers, a super easy chocolate fudge ice cream. It's rich, decadent, and requires no cooking. You'll start with the same base, heavy whipping cream and sweetened condensed milk. But we're adding cocoa powder and a touch of melted chocolate for extra richness. Whip the cold, heavy cream until stiff peaks form, just like before. Set that aside gently. In another bowl, whisk together the sweetened condensed milk and unsweetened cocoa powder. Make sure there are no lumps. Melt some chocolate chips or chopped chocolate and let it cool slightly. Stir the cooled melted chocolate into the condensed milk and cocoa mixture. Now gently fold this chocolate mixture into the whipped cream. Again, be gentle to keep the volume. Transfer the mixture to your freezer-safe container. Cover it well to prevent freezer burn. Freeze for at least 6 hours until solid. This chocolate fudge version is intensely satisfying and so simple to make. Finally, a bright and fruity option, strawberry swirl. This one is bursting with fresh flavor and looks beautiful too. You'll need heavy whipping cream, sweetened condensed milk, and fresh or frozen strawberries. A little sugar and lemon juice for the strawberry swirl helps. First, make the strawberry swirl. Mash or blend your strawberries with a little sugar and a squeeze of lemon juice. Cook it down slightly in a small pan until it thickens into a sauce. Then, let it cool completely. Whip the heavy cream until stiff peaks form. In a separate bowl, whisk the sweetened condensed milk. Gently fold the condensed milk into the whipped cream. Now, spoon dollops of the cooled strawberry sauce over the mixture in the container. Use a knife or spoon handle to gently swirl the strawberry sauce through the ice cream base. Don't overmix, just create nice swirls. Cover the container and freeze for at least 6 hours. The result is a refreshing, fruity treat with beautiful ribbons of strawberry. There you have it, 3 incredibly easy, no-churn ice cream recipes perfect for summer. They're simple enough for beginners and delicious enough for any ice cream enthusiast. Give them a try and impress your friends and family. Happy scooping!